This video will explain how to create a table on a web page. Table elements are used to organize content and data in a web page for easy viewing. The table tag is the main tag used to create a table. Inside the table tag, there are three tags that we use to create the structure of the table. TR, which creates a table row. TH, which creates a table heading, which is a column that is automatically bolded text and centered. And TD, which creates a normal table data column. To create our table, we first use TR tags to create the different rows. To illustrate this, I'm going to open the inspector for our table so that we can take a look at the structure of all of our elements. We see here that our table is everything that's highlighted. To create our table, we first create table rows. These rows go left to right and stack like pancakes inside of our table. Every row that we add after the first one will add a row to the bottom of the table. Going inside of the rows with the inspector, we can see that we can create table data inside of the row. Our first row here has two TD tags inside of it. Creating a TD tag will create a division of the row. The more TD tags we add, the more divisions of the row we will have. Here we have two divisions. One of them holds last name and the other one holds first name. We can see that this structure continues in our table since all of our rows have two columns inside of them. Additionally, in our first row, we can see that we have a table heading. This TH acts exactly like a TD, except the text is bolded automatically and centered inside of that cell. One common tweak that we make to a table is to center the table heading so that it appears in the center of the entire table. Notice that our heading right now in TH only takes up the width of one of the two cells in our table. We would like to have this heading centered in our table. To do this, we add an attribute to TH called colspan. The colspan attribute will create a column that spans the width of two standard size columns. Reloading our page will now show us that our single TH tag spans the entire width of two columns. That's because we have colspan equals 2 as our attribute. Effectively, this attribute merges cells together in the table going from left to right. Similarly, we can use another attribute called rowspan in an attribute for a table row to merge multiple cells together height-wise.